on it quickly so I could show some people who were asking. So I quickly looked it up and I found my links, and I'm just gonna get started from scratch. So first thing you're gonna do is grab let me go back one. You're gonna grab the latest build for Bucket. So here's the latest build. That's very large. Since Minecraft 1.3.1 will be coming out, let's see, is that tomorrow? Yeah, I think that's tomorrow. It will be coming out tomorrow. Yeah, just download this. This video might be pretty useless for people who want to download it right as soon as 1.3 starts, but to be honest, this is just basically a helpful tutorial to show just, you know, how to put this stuff together and make it really easy for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and make myself a guns plus folder. For this you also need Spout and the Spout plugin and the Spout API. So I already have those all opened up. So when I get to that, I will get right on that. So what you're probably going to want to do when you get the craft bucket jar is just quickly get rid of everything. Just make it craftbucket.jar, then save. So it's going to save. It's all done saving. So then we're going to, we're going to go back to the bucket page. Actually, that's not the bucket I want. This bucket page. Not bucket dev. Not bucket dev. Get craft bucket. So you're going to scroll down here. So this is the Java 6. So if you have Java 6 or you don't know what Java you have, just use this one. If you know you have Java 7, use this one. And if you have Mac or Linux, this is Linux right here. This is a complicated method of using Mac. Okay, so just for tutorial purpose, I'm just going to use the Java 6, but I know I have Java 7. Okay. Why is this being retarded? Okay. So Guns Plus. So you're gonna make yourself a text file, text document. We're gonna call it run. Then we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna take the file that you just copied. If you copied it, either you select it all and you hit Control C, or you select it all and you right click on it, then you hit copy. So you're gonna hit Control V and paste it in there. Save. So people who don't have extensions enabled won't be able to edit the extension like this. So you just rename it to bat. But people who aren't able to do that, you're gonna go like this. Go to folder options, view, go down just a little bit. So it says this will be checked. Hide extensions for known file types, so that you want to uncheck that. Yeah. So you're gonna run it one time, just so that it opens up all the folders and it makes the world file. I'll be right back as soon as it's done. Alright, it's all done. So basically what I'm going to do is just quickly safely close it. So just type in stop, so it saves and closes it, and it's all safe. So it's going to save chunks, stop server, so anyone who's in it right now will see this. So you're going to go into your plugins folder, and there's nothing there. So this is where you're going to place all your stuff. So as you can see, when the server created itself, it created all this files. For people who have a cracked version of Minecraft, this is just a quickie for them. So anyone else who has a regular version, this isn't a go for you. So for people like that, you just go false. And when the server opens up, it says server is in offline mode and unsafe mode where hackers can hack it. Why is this still open? Okay. It's in a mode where it can be hacked, stuff like that. It's not a big deal unless you're hosting an actual server where you want everyone to have a full version of Minecraft, then that might be a problem. Okay. So next thing you're gonna do is get your Guns Plus mod. So just click on this link. I'll be posting the link in the description, also with a pre-made, if I get around to that. So just gonna save that in there. Then we're gonna go to the API, which you just click on the API down here. We also need the Spout plugin, that's an important one. So you can click on the API and click download. It's gonna download, and I'm gonna have put it there. Then the Spout plugin, I'm gonna download, I'm gonna put it there. Then just to make sure there's no errors to begin with, I'm gonna run it just one more time. And wait for it to be slow and load it. Which shouldn't take too long, but if you're recording at the same time, it might be a bit slower. Okay, so, alright. These are the mods right here. API Plus and all that is loaded. Alright. If for some reason your CMD just stops in mid-track, just hit space quickly and it might fix it. Alright, so it's loaded all the guns plus. I'm gonna stop server again. And stop server. So it's saving chunks. Alright. Okay, so you can just close all these tabs. And oh no, you need Spout. So this is just quickly for people who don't have Spout and they don't know what Gun Plus mod is and they want to play it. So you're gonna download Spout. And okay. Well, actually, you're gonna go. Here it is. Okay. So for people with the Mac, you're gonna click on this one. For people with Linux, you're gonna click on this one. And people for Windows, you're gonna click on the exe. Last time I checked, I was at a better website for this. A little bit more descriptions. But this I'm showing you how to do it, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to open up my Spout. And I'm gonna open up my server. And then I'm just gonna quickly look at the settings for the plugins. So the Guns Plus plugin. So for people, I'm pretty sure there's a way to add more guns. Okay, so this is the URL texture for the gun. Okay. So you can set up the recoil and all that. Here, I'm gonna open this up in Notebook++. One moment. Alright, so I have everything opened up and ready to go. Is this recording? Yes. Okay, so everything's opened up, and I just want to show one quick error that people are having, and I just want to quickly solve your problem. So people who have their account like this and it's not working, like, look, I'll show you. It will say your account has been migrated, you need to use your email address. Unless it's fixed, which I really doubt it. I think when you migrate your account to mojang.com, it changes all of your accounts to your email. So you can't use your username to log in, and you can't get this really cool little character showing up, unfortunately. So if you can't log in as your email nor your account name, then you're gonna have to go to mojang.com, log in as your email, and it will say to send a verification email, and then you're just going to go to your email address, accept it, and all that stuff, and it will fix it, and then you'll have to log in as your email. That's how I have to log in, I'm pretty sure. Alright, I'm gonna open this up when I'm in the server. Alright, it's recording? Yes. Okay, so if you want to join your own server real quick, you just enter in this IP 127.0.0.1, either that or localhost. So I'm going to join the server. So you can only really get the Guns Plus mod unless if you're using Spout. If you're using regular Minecraft, nothing will happen. So as you can see up in the top right there, it would just show the Gun Plus something. Let me just quickly op myself. So it's going to be laggy, I can understand that, because I'm using Camtasia rather than using Fraps, unless I don't know what, should I use Fraps? No, it's just help 2. Okay, so guns, let's just put myself in game mode. Game mode, how about guy 1? Do I get guns when I'm in this mode? Oh, there they are. Sniper bayonet. Okay. So where's the bullets? Hold on. I'm gonna go play around with this mod since I haven't really used it before. I was just trying to do a quick tutorial on it. So I'm gonna quickly just research it and just look at how the ammo and stuff works and how the game modes work, and then I'll just set up one and I'll show you guys how to do it.